Hi, I'm Joe Wiegand. I recently joined Snyder Manufacturing in sales and in business development. I have a 28-year background with Johnson Outdoors, working in research and development, operations, sales and marketing, and strategic planning. I've recently joined Snyder Manufacturing to help leverage my experience in the last 28 years to help promote their products and look into new markets. I've worked with Snyder Manufacturing throughout my career at Johnson Outdoors. Snyder was one of our primary suppliers that always listened to our needs and responded with great customer service, delivery, and a quality product. Snyder, in my mind, was truly an industry leader in product quality. In my role as the Director of Operations, Snyder Fabric was instrumental in me maintaining favorable cost of quality standards through less scrapped fabric in the manufacturing process, fewer customer returns, and overall customer satisfaction. I'm looking forward to meeting with you to satisfy any of your fabric needs, or whether it be our standard products or products that we don't offer that we might be able to help develop for you to meet any of your needs. You can call at any time or email me, and I'll be happy to get with you as quickly as possible. Thank you.